June 6, 1944. Thousands of troops storm the beaches of Normandy. Pivotal moment. The tides turn. The world is watching. History has changed forever. During World War II, most of Western Europe was under the control of Nazi Germany. The Allied forces, led by the United States, United Kingdom, and Canada, decided to launch a major offensive to liberate France and open a new front against the Germans. The Normandy region of France was chosen as a landing point. On the morning of June 6, 1944, the operation began with a large-scale air and sea attack. More than 156,000 Allied soldiers landed on the beaches of Normandy at 5 main sites, codenamed Utah, Omaha, Gould, Juneau, and Sword. Utah and Omaha. These beaches were designated for American forces. American soldiers faced stiff resistance, especially at Omaha, where German defenses were very strong. Gould. It was intended for British forces. Juneau. It was intended for the Canadian forces. The Sword. It was intended for British forces and some Free French forces. Despite heavy losses, the Allied forces were able to secure the bridgeheads and begin advancing into French territory. The success of the landings was a major turning point in World War II, opening a new front and eventually leading to the liberation of Paris in August 1944 and the liberation of most of Western Europe from Nazi occupation by the spring of 1945.